Hello everyone, my name is Gia from Gia Tech School. In the last video, I have given an introduction to batch scripting and CMD. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your environment for batch scripting. You don't need to install any piece of software in order to get started with batch scripting. You can use this default Notepad editor which is come with Microsoft Windows operating system, but the problem is it does not have any features. For example, when I type empty is a command which we use to create folders in CMD, but when I type some keyword, it does not highlight it and it does not auto-complete it. So therefore I'm going to suggest an effective Notepad editor called Notepad++ that has many functionalities in it. So go ahead and type Notepad++ and you can download the program from this website, and it is a basic installation. When you click this download, and it will automatically download on your computer, and you can install them by clicking next, and so on and so forth. It is a basic installation. You don't need to worry about anything. In order to open them, so I have already installed it on my computer. I opened this is the Notepad editor, and you can use this Notepad editor not only for batch scripting but also for many programming languages such as C, C++, and so on and so forth. So we're going to use it for batch scripting. Just select the language batch and you can write the code, and you can see when you type it, it will automatically suggest relevant command for you. For example, it highlight the syntax, and also it give a suggestion for you. Empty, I give empty is used to create folder. So I'm going to create a folder called folder1, name of the folder. So I'm going to save it on my desktop. I can click save as, I can select desktop. Okay, I'm going to name this script as make folder script. Okay, .bat. You can use CMD also, but I'm using BAT, both the same. So I have saved it on my desktop. Now when I open it, it will automatically create the folder on my desktop. Like I said before, this Notepad editor has many functionalities, and it auto completes it, and it gives relevant features on it. I highly recommend you to use this Notepad because it will give you great experience for you. So in the next video, I'm going to explain the basic fundamentals of batch scripting such as for loop, if condition. So this is the only thing we need to install on our computer. In the next video, we're going to dive into writing script. Thank you very much for watching this video.